Hi guys, and welcome to the Gravity Performance Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at a top tier upgrade for the F82 BMW M4. These 370mm rear brake discs are built to give you the maximum stopping capabilities. As we all know, these things are no joke when it comes to power. Make sure you're very careful when opening these, as they are quite heavy. Box, these discs scream quality. They're drilled and grooved for both function and form, which I'll explain shortly. These are made from high quality materials, including a black phosphate coating on all the non-friction areas to prevent corrosion. They're also compatible with the F87 M2 models and the F80 M3. The drilled and grooved surface is going to disperse heat, reducing any brake fade, keeping peak performance under the hardest of driving. These are perfect for any track car or fast road car. These come as a pair, ready to bolt on as a direct OEM replacement with no modifications needed. Once fitted, you can expect these discs to be more than capable of keeping up with the performance of your M4. If you're pushing the car hard, these are a game changer. As you can see, these are a great upgrade for your BMW M2, M3 or M4. If you'd like to get yourself a set, head over to the website today.